Yeah, Taylor Gang, Taylor Gang, Taylor.
Yeah. We back with it. Y'all got there, come say something. Y'all ain't gonna say nothing. Y'all don't want to talk. Y'all don't want to talk to YouTube.
Hey y'all.
They can't hear you, Jay.
Hey, what's up?
You gotta be louder.
Hey, what's up?
Y'all, check this out, right? We in Florida with it. Florida water with it. You know what I'm saying? And check our view out. Y'all just check this out right here. Y'all ready for it? Man, this shit here crazy, man. But hey, yeah. We finna get relaxed for a little minute. And we gonna hit y'all back in a minute. You know what I'm saying? It look like it's finna rain out here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that? But yeah, we gonna cut y'all back in a minute. And chill and relax for a little second. You know what I'm saying? Go! Taylor Gang out! You say what, boy?
Tell them, Jay. What they supposed to do?
Like
Like and
and subscribe.
subscribe. Then they come to me.
Man, no. This ain't no fucking zoo. You know you gotta keep doing that, right?
Okay. Eat my food.
Look at it, y'all. Hey, now. Y'all better go ahead on with all that shit. I was just trying to be nice. Y'all acting damn reckless now.
He say he running everybody out.
No, he must be down. He must be the one that ain't.
No, eat it.
Got him! Got him! Stop fucking with the bird, man. Them damn birds alone, man. Hey, man, y'all, this shit wild, man. Look at this shit. This bird right here.
It's not clean.
This bird say he's tired of that shit. Look at the other one looking like some goofies. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he gone now. Look at this one right here. Look at that one. What do you think gonna jump first? Look, y'all see this? Watch it look. You like, all right now.
Here you go, little baby.
Yeah, there's some babies. Just like some babies.
Oh, you still let the other one get it. I don't know what breed it
Let me
is.
see a little piece. Well, fuck it then, hell.
Don't eat baby.
Everybody eat my ass. Hey, I done told you. Ow, my ass. You gotta go ahead on. Yeah, y'all. Where we at, y'all?
Florida 2026. There you go, little baby.
And like, ha ha.
2 hours, 2.5 hours.
Jalen, what you doing? I ain't never seen a big boy get on the roof. I ain't never seen a big boy get on the roof. I ain't never seen a big boy get on the roof. Roof. Jalen, what you just made over there? Why you messed it up? You see how I work the camera?
Yeah. Make another one. Why you
Make
putting that
another
gun
what?
in that? I thought he made.
They got a booties out and shit. I forgot the song, how the song go.
What?
It's a song.
I'm trying to shake my titties like sausage.
Nah, that ain't what the hell I'm damn talking about. But it is something.
And like Vaughn.
Who?
Vaughn.
Who is that?
Oh, LOE. Every time he smoked, he covered it up.
Oh, he's supposed
And when
to.
they pass it to
They ain't
him,
got
he
nothing to do with
covered
us. Jay, let me see it.
it up. Why you did it so far back?
Why ain't make it over here?
That's
Make
why
it
I told
right
you-
here.
That's why I told you to get your bucket. Huh? Make a make a baby sandcastle.
Don't turn around.
If you want to. Come here. Let me help you.
What he said?
You can't sit on the ground. Turn around.
Sorry, y'all. Crack went out in the 80s. Jay, is your crack here? Y'all ain't doing that. You gotta do what?
I wonder how late you can go there. Maybe we could pay for a thing to go fishing tonight.
Say what?
We could pay to go fishing tonight, and they sell the rods and all that stuff in that thing over there before you go on the boardwalk. Remember last time we came though, it was blocked. That part was blocked off, but we came out here late.
Ain't this the place where we went on the Ocean and ate?
No, that was Daytona.
Y'all ready?
Whatever.
We went to Daytona. We went to Joe's Crab Shack.
Big.
Yeah, go ahead. You got a paddock. All right. Damn, Jay.
He makes it every day. Every day.
You need to win it. They came out here full of clothes.
I got y'all.
Purses and everything.
This was a girl. I just left my man. Bitch, I know where to go. Don't even worry about it. Already. Don't even worry about it. There gonna be plenty of niggas out there.
For sure.
How you fail? How you fail? I said fail. You talking about some damn? Never mind. You talking about some damn? I'm gonna say it on camera. Fuck it. Hell, I know how to delete shit. You know, talking about some damn? They fucking.
Oh, I ain't know.
No, you throw it for yourself. I been say who? My crack covered.
I got two still.
Hey man. Fuck it, I'm finna sit up on this bit. Who's to say I can't? Obviously nobody.
Close call.
I got three.
Yeah, your mama can't throw.
No better than you.
Who? You can throw better than who?
I got three.
Y'all see the head on her? Jay, your mama can't catch either. What you gotta say to the people?
You see me throwing this frisbee, I'm the greatest.
At what?
Frisbee golf.
They probably can't hear you.
This golf.
They probably can't hear you because the wind blowing.
Put the subtitles
If the camera can't hear you, what make you think the subtitle can?
in. You gotta remember everything I said.
All right. Sun shining, top down, every day beautiful. I jug 800 pounds.
I got 7.
No, that's cheating.
No, you cheated.
That's cheating, Jay. You threw it. Why you didn't go get it? Huh? The challenge says that's a foul. How about that? You gotta go get it.
That was good. Put it out there.
Jay, come here. What they should do?
Have to subscribe
To what?
to our channel.
Tell them bye.
Bye.
Y'all, I'm gonna cut y'all back in a minute.
Yeah, Taylor Gang, Taylor Gang, Taylor